Can you be honest in this last question? Markelle Fultz, Lonzo Ball, better player?
Well, yeah, there's probably a bias, but there was 2 games that we played, one up in Seattle, and then one here in Los Angeles where Markelle did not play. So there was only one head-to-head matchup, and that was in Seattle, and we won in a lopsided game, and Lonzo was terrific. So I obviously saw Lonzo more than Markelle. I think you're looking at 2 outstanding guards. Markelle's more of a scorer, but Lonzo can score, and Lonzo probably didn't get enough credit for. He made over 63s as a freshman, shooting 41%, and a lot of people don't talk about that because of the way he shoots it, but he gets it to the right point. It's just a different path, and he makes shots. But I think as far as a player, if I had to pick a player that would change my team the most, the quickest and in the most positive ways, it would be Lonzo.
The Dan Patrick Show, weekday mornings on Audience.